Let us all rise up. Our Honorable Chief Guest, our Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council has already arrived in the venue. Along with him, our Honorable Chairman of Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council, our Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, our respected Principal Secretary of Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council, good afternoon, one and all. Hello, check. Please increase the volume. Hello, hello. Hello, check. Hello. Kardom and welcome to the Northeast 6th Schedule Autonomous Council cultural events, especially today, wishing each and everyone a happy 73rd Karbi-Anglong Day. This year, with a unique vision of our Honorable Chief Executive Member, Dr. Tuliram Ronghangse, and his thoughtfulness to bring all the 6 scheduled autonomous councils together to harmonize with each other, to preserve our tribal identity and culture, we today gather here at Sertalin Auditorium, commemorating the 73rd Karbi-Anglong Day 2024. We'd now like to take this moment to welcome and felicitate our distinct guests present here who have joined us in this auspicious event. May I please invite on the dais, we already have our Honorable Chief Guest, our Honorable Chief Executive Member, sir, our Honorable MLA sirs, our Honorable Chairman, sir, our respected Principal Secretary, sir. So may I please take this moment to invite our Honorable Chief Executive Member's wife, Madam Kache, over the dais. Our First Lady of Karbi-Anglong. Madam, can we please have you? Also, I would like to invite the Karbi Recho, Sir Longsing Ronghang, over the dais. Nilitum non chahang poningtung, ladak at hengsongan, iltum kachinghon, Honorable CM Sir Alang Lichar, iltum kachinghon First Lady of Karbi-Anglong, akihaipi kache teronpi, aduntu man kido ilitum Karbi Recho, akihai Longsing Ronghang, alang litum apanstami, ladak at hengsong long kitik pitang abohalong an kapang niji pansi nilichuning relo. Aduntu litum kachinghon ex MP akihai Horen Singbe alang lipans tami ladaga tengsongan kivang je pansi chuning relo. Aduntu pinilabang so arni kimi along nang chatongdon ex CM akihai Mojari Hansi lapen ke ex chairman akihai Daniel Teron alang litum apans tami ladaga tengsong long kitik pitang abohalong an kivang je pansi chuning relo.
Chairman Barim, Tungluching Hon, Man Pengethenai, Sir Roying He, Alang Lipan Same, Dak Angsong Achatai Longan, Chopapon Lo, Alang Lisame, Dak Giving Pansichuning Rilo.
Aduntu, nilitum chahang poningtung, iltum kachinghon, Karbi Cultural Society, Amaypu, Akihai Chandrasingkro, Alang Lipans Tami, Ladak, at Hengsong Long Kitik Pitang Abohalongan, Givang Ji Pansichuning Rilo. Tangte atheng songan lang ko hang pon nang ji litum ke thege ding tumana phan bang ke litum hang pon lo alang litum phan archo che prang nili ethe theni alam than poning tung athe penenga bang ke litum karbiang long de pusitami prek kason ni thoman si bipon lo la pen ke ahokpet pena karbiang long de bang ke litum pini se talon lo patumi penilitum ke chengpon la ke eltum ka chinghon honorable CM sir alang li kamatha pon theka jok penenga bang ke Northeast Sikh Schedule Autonomous Council Cultural Events puhok ponsi ni thoma pharman tikpon lo lasi pini ajaime katheke ilitum ingdeng troxy kepra ke thom 73rd Karbiang Long Day katolonar ni abang amai bangke ilitum non chengpon po lasi ke chengsi ilitum alang litum aphan bangso mailong ke dengpon penle pangchenglo nang. We shall now begin with the welcoming and felicitating of our distinguished guests present here on the dais as well as at this auditorium, Sertalin Auditorium. Firstly, we would like to welcome our Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, our Honorable Chief Guest of today's event, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Sir. We'd like to adorn him with a traditional Karbi jacket, a traditional Karbi jamborong or bag, a traditional Karbi poho, and a bouquet. We thank him for being here with us as chief guest. Thank you, sir. Aduntu, we'd like to welcome and felicitate Her Ladyship, First Lady of Karbi Anglong, Madam Kache Teronpi, for gracing us on this auspicious occasion and for being part of this celebration. We thank you, ma'am. Alang liphans tami churo parpiglo, ilitum kachinghon, akihaipi Kache Teronpi, ilitum kachinghon, Honorable CM Sir Achor. Aduntu, we'd like to welcome and felicitate our Honorable Chairman of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Shri Raju Tisosa. We also thank him for being here with us and being part of this joyous celebration of the 73rd Karbi Anglong Day. Thank you so much, sir. Aduntu, we would like to welcome and felicitate His Highness Man Kido Karbi Recho Akehai Longsing Ronghang Alang Liphans Tami Bangso Amailong Deng Bonji Pansinil Tum Chisiklo Aduntu Nilitum Bangso Amailong Deng Poningtung Iltum Kachinghon Honorable Emily Sir Akehai Do Anapan Iltum Kachinghon Honorable Emily Sir Akehai Bidya Singing Leng Akehai Dorsing Ronghang, Lapenke Akehai Rupsing Teron. We would like to felicitate our Honorable MLA Sirs, Shri Bidya Singh Ingleng Sir, Shri Dorsing Ronghang Sir, and Shri Rupsing Teron Sir for being part of this joyous celebration. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time. Aduntu, itum bangso amay long deng poningtung, iltum kachinghon, abarim MP, akihai Horen Singh Be, alang liphans tami, iltum bangso amay long kedeng ji pansi chisik ponlo. Would now like to take this moment to welcome and felicitate our former member of the parliament, Shri Jude Horen Singh Be, sir. We'd also like to take this moment to welcome and felicitate our respected Principal Secretary, sir, of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Shri Mukul Kumar Saikia, sir. Aduntu iltum long nang chitong dun, former CEM Akihai Mojari Hanse, lapen ke former chairman Akihai Daniel Teron, lapen ke iltum Karbi Cultural Society Manpeng Kedo, Maipu Akihai Chandra Singh Kro, lapen ke iltum Kachinghon Honorable EM Sir Kehai Shri Mongol Singh Timung alang lipan stami iltum man kedo poho Karbi Choy lapen ke buke pen pi pejir pen bang somai long ke deng jia pan stami nili alang litum pan ke sister of pan tuning rilo. Aduntu dais long kedo man kedo former chairman Akihai Roying Hi alang lipan stami Kartojia Pansi nili ke sister of pan tuning rilo. On this auspicious event, as we all know that this year we are joined by different autonomous council districts here in our celebration of the 73rd Karbi Anglong Day, we'd now like to take this moment to welcome and felicitate them too. May I please request the staff of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to proceed down at the auditorium couch so that we can welcome and felicitate them for being part of this 73rd Karbi Anglong Day celebration. I request the KEC staff to kindly felicitate all honorable EMs, MSCs, especially we are joined by the EM of Art and Culture of Chakma Autonomous District Council, Shri Lokhan Chakma, along with his colleagues from the Chakma Autonomous District Council. We are also joined by the EM of Sports Youths of the Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Shri Suhail De Burma, Shri Debajit Tripura. I'd request the staff of the KAC to kindly felicitate them as well. Also to felicitate all board chairmen, VDC chairmen, all president secretary of various cultural organizations, social organizations, women organization, student organizations, vice versa. Ilitum karcho abangke pusi pedambompo, non abangke kang pupon alamte ateke welcome address abangle iltum chapapon lonang. I'd like to invite our respected Principal Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for his welcome note. Before that, we have a welcome song prepared by the staff of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So may I please request them to kindly step forward and present with their melodious song on this auspicious celebration of the 73rd Karbi Anglong Day.
Lun kilun chiatum chisik paprap ceji fansi chuning rilo alang tum methang adim long wang pen lun kepar jui fansi chuning rilo.
Our felicitation and welcoming of other distinguished guests will proceed on as well. Carbing Long Autonomous Council staff alang litumapan felicitation abangke Prabjin Pen Pipon Bomjia Pansi Pachinilo Non abangke litum Kang Pupon aluna take welcome song abangle Arjuponang iltum Kachinghon KAC Secretariat staff ahin pen. Hello.
Kero Piper Piglo, Liltum Kaching Hon, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Secretariat of Safatung, and Tum Jumisen Pen, Pinida Kachetong, Aratpan Luncheto Kaparjupon Tekpo. See, moving on to our next agenda, we have a welcome address to be delivered by our respected Principal Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So, we would like to invite our sir to deliver his welcome note.
Kardong, Honorable Chief Executive Member, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang sir, Honorable CM Madam, Honorable Chairman, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils and the Presidents of today's open sessions, Raju Tishu sir, Honorable Karbi King, His Highness, Longking Ronghang, Honorable MLA Dipu and Chairman, Assam Hills Small Industrial Development Corporation, Assam, Bidya Singh England, sir, Honorable MLA, Hauragat LSE, Darsing Ronghang, sir, Honorable MLA Baitalang Su, LSE, Rupsik Terok, sir, Honorable EMs of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils, Honorable former Member of Parliament, Horan Singh Bey, sir, Honorable EMs of Sakma Autonomous Councils, Mr. Lakhan Sakma, sir, Honorable EM, Honorable MSc of KSCs, Honorable MSc from Sakma Autonomous Councils, Mr. Amit Bayan Sakma, sir, Honorable MScs from Tripura Tribal Areas District Councils, Devajit Tripura, sir, Honorable Chairman, Tripura Tribal Area District Autonomous Councils, Mr. Apan Debarma, sir, Honorable Board Chairman of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils, Honorable Distinguished Invited Guests to today's event, all the officials and the media friends, and the Honorable President and Secretary, Karbi Lamaitame, Honorable President and Secretary, Karbi Cultural Societies, dear President Secretaries of KSA and all other students' organizations present here today, and all my dear participants who has come over here to take part in the Northeast Cultural Exchange events being organized by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils, and the respective guests present. Today is an auspicious day for the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils because on this particular day in 1951, we got the district councils by the name North Mikir Hills and North Kasar Hills district in the year 1951. Under paragraph 1 of the 6th schedule as in basis in article 244(2) of the Constitution of India. So this particular day is very important for all of us, especially those belongs from the tribal hills of this undivided Assam. You all know that prior to the British colonialism of Assam, the major hill tribes of undivided Assam hold their own separate states without much interference from the outside. However, under the British rule, with the Frontier Regulations Act 1884, the Miki Hills Tract was made a part of the administrative district of Nagaon. Later, in 1935, Miki Hills was declared as one of the backward tracts under Article 52A(2) of the Government of India Act 1919. And these backward tracts, the tribal areas for whose administrations the 6 schedules of the Indian Constitution were later enacted. So this milestone, however, we got, and that is culmination of decades of struggles for self-governance and longing for the preservation of the indigenous culture, customs, traditions, and its unique heritage. Thus, keeping all these things in view, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils decided to organize commemorating this 17 November, which is the District Foundation Day of Karbi Anglong, to organize a 3-day event with effect from 16th to 18th, naming it as the Northeast India's Northeast 6th Scheduled Autonomous Council's Cultural Exchange Events. And accordingly, immediately, say 5 months back, when we proposed, the officials and the honorable EMs of this council proposed this before our honorable Chief Executive Member, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang sir, he straightway, he gave a consent to this, and rather with his dynamic approach, we are here, we are organizing these events from yesterday, that is 16th to 18th, which is going to be concluded tomorrow. So that's why we are thankful to our honorable CM sir for giving us consent for organizing these events. This being the first steps towards our goals to keep the bonding of all the 10 6 scheduled autonomous councils of the Northeast in these events from yesterday. But due to prior occupations of the 3 autonomous councils from Meghalaya and 1 autonomous council from Mizoram, say out of 10, 6 autonomous councils participated from yesterday. So with their participations, the Foundation's Day of Karbi Anglong Day, which is we are celebrating today, they made it a success, we believe, and we believe that their participations will support us to keep our goals, to keep ahead this initiative of the Karbi
Council for the welcome address. अब मैं इस वक्त गुजारिश करना चाहूंगा कार्बी सांस्कृतिक समाज के माननीय अध्यक्ष श्री चंद्र सिंह क्रोजी से कि वे इस सभा को संबोधित करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Trox kebra ke thong ang deng Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ay hindan katalon pon Karbi Anglong de mate Karbi Anglong ke chelong rani pinila so mai je pehem phu pon mai hem phu mate Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council a chairman ka hai Raju Tiso pinila bang so mai long aluhi sarpo man penanga che tong dun Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council a CM ka hai Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen ilitum Karbi a K along K atiri Karbi Richo long sing Ronghang lapen ilitum ka chenghon CM a hemasor ni kacheteron pipen cheng lok theng song long ni rapet man peng hoi deng rapet MLA ke hayatum yema ke hayatum MSC ke hayatum doan lapen MP barim CM barim MLA barim atum doan pen kadu kawe khe pan cheng orap pini jitong rapet ke theki ding atum nalitum kadu ka via pan nili lepen karbi jutang asong ai hinpen kei kacing hona kardom nang pajiriklo kardom haro krisir kebra ho kebra isi pini harani hendo karbiang long kelong arni labang so karbiang long ili tu me thang long ri nang chelong lok pen api karbiang long autonomous council te nang seng phit lo laboso nang thun wang bom pen ili tu ma khei ke jok wan jia phan ili tu ma khei reng dok ring dike dolong jia phan ang thun ave ka che song nang do lo labang so ka che song le pen ili tum MOV nang che tok long lo MOS batahini nang che tok long lo lahai ka do nang pang rumpet pen non ana bangke ili tum karbia khei karbiang long arara tum akenang sot kaching turong bo pen cheng lok lamet lam chong jutang jubat lahai kang thur pona phani litum isi akijoy wan ma son nili jung hin pen ki thek dam long sila bangke ningarong me alang binong pinila so maya long nili churoing tung ilitum Assam government non ki khibong ASEM but the chief minister ka hai Himanta Biswa Sarma alangli karbia khaya jutang aphan ardinang ki pipen Assam ba jeralong kuti ke thomatangka nang ke thai pithor ke pot pini labang somai ben sinili alangli phan choro la pen Assam gopen man choro party lo la penilum kadawe da chini karbiang long autonomous council non ki khibom CEM akai tu Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alang like lamet lam chong jutang jubat nim ro koma pan kai ke alang dia kacheng hon thepik alang li joine pen se pini tara lang so kar bi people host tame turi turbong ili tum che thek long lo laki mi ngarong me binong se alang le pan li puthot kar bi jutang asong hin pen ninga klong ka churu alang le pan li pajer tu le thot lo isia bang ni li pudam kang tung bang kala hello ili tuma khai tum che hok thek ma thek thema hala bang sin ni ke ka ju kang tung ili tuma khai tung jong sin non pura che hok thek thelang lo tang te la bang ke chok che de ji a hok lo ningkan sivet ningkan hini vet la kar bi tuma ke mang kar bi tuma khai tum ke nang sor son amung an ke chok plang ji ke un e te bon sita milion ke thek dam long bang ke ili tum kaching thura mo le punoi jutang jubada mo le punoi lamet lam chong mo le punoi la bang son nang kaching thura bang asap o nang chak chat son jin li bang thek dam long la si ni li lam thek nang ji phan li piding o hing tung te ke bang jilangar ni ili tum karbiang long autonomous council long karbiarat do anatum ba karbi chot kali karbiang long arara do anatum la an so ili tum chi to du nang ji ili tum phan nang ke Japon council la hin pen madua a partir le hadak nang council nang cari pusitame council ka cari atum pen itum karbiarat atum karbiang long arara tum la bangso ka chepo ka chiro bangke ake la bangkin ningduk me binong tara lang solong sitame ni pini la bangso mai long basika chuningri la an ahem ke me ki kim kerang nang ka chong hudu non pu an taju ang jutu ni de sila bangso kunat tan ku piat tren dong bang nang lu chok lo ne la bangso tren bang pang tek sila bangso tren bang tin nai bon pen ing tin vek nang ko ji ko an li tum ki kim dat ko an li tum kerang det ko an li tum ke klam klelang pen ake hai doktor tulan rong hang pen cheng lok pinang an MLA MP IM atum MSC atum ta me klem cepat duglo ta hala bangso ke klem ka cepat duglo bangso an le bang itu makar biara tum pi posisi deng tek tedar ma hala bang ke nili hin dai ning dupi la se ke bang jilang ni bang ke la poson kali dar nangji ili tum apan bang plok ponjok tang ho po hala bang so bang kar biara ra phan rong ru parlo ke do kaddo ka berong sar ro sar pen cheng lok thek mu chor ren bu chor tum la bang so awareness bang ke pipo nangji pusin ni le bang ke chuning ri sikijut si ke bang jilang ni an ili tum kari biang long la an so se turi tur bong pa do ji phan ilitum ning isipet pen klam rapet lonang dam rapet lonang lapen itu mak hei cing hon lonang itu malong ri long pa cing hon lonang pu pen sin ilam te pite pen basing ton ko lo kado.
Thank you so much, President Sir, for your valuable words. Ladies and gentlemen, with a great honor, I would like to invite Honorable MLA Sir, Sri Dorsing Rohan Sir, to please come forward and to deliver his valuable words.
Pini Arni Kemirni Karbi Anglong Lapen North Kachar Hills, a district, autonomous district, Amahang Kapathek, Labang Soarni. Ilum Katalon Pondak, Taralang So People Soul, Sertalin, Labang So, a community hula long, Piniame long, Chetong Pon, Ilum Chief Guest, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM, Penanpar, Karbi Hirumuni, Karbi Anglong Kapaying Turjapan, Ajo Anarlo, Sang Sepin Pen, Kiklem Kapatir Pipon, Abangpu, Akehai Dr. Tuliam Ronghang, Maylong Chetong Pon, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Chairman Akehai Raju Tiso, Maylong Chetong Pon, Karbi Richo, Akehai Long Sing Ronghang, Pen Ilitum along Dipu, Alicia MLA, Akehai Bilasing Leng, Maylong Chetong Pontu, Ilitum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, EM Akehai, MC Akehai, Penanparta Dotulang Ilitum MLA Akehai, Moitalang So MLA Akehai Rup Singh Teron, Karbi Autonomous Council, a board, a chairman, Akehai Piatum, Pen Ilitum along Abarim MP Akehai Horen Singh De, Abarim CM Akehai Mojarihan Se, Penanpar Ilitum Pinya Maylong Chetong Pon. In our meet, we had a guest from the Mara Autonomous Council, members and EMs and chairmen. And also in our meet, we have a guest from the Chakma Autonomous Council, members, EMs and chairmen, and also from the Tripura and the artisans, those are going to participate in our cultural exchange program. Penanparte Ilitum arong rong pen kebang. Ilitum rong saru basar Mekar Sarmar, Bomumar, ni Marliatu. Pini Amelong, Kacethan po nangialam thebang ke do ang bom sa namaya porkom hek. Lasi ajak ke ilitum ke plang ki phi atomota ilitum thek atuman nilita thek laple komanita chinilap Nili kacini ta ajak doi, komande ta kacini ajak doi. Kata ilitum apusara, pisara tum, ilitum atirim. alang li tumaja kong alang li tumakamata kepeli kepemi ajoini si pini itum dak taralang so people hall salong sertalin cultural complex along ilitum pini ka chitong pen ka singwai pen ning arong ka chipi pen ilitum ka singwai than long binong lasi ilitum bangke lahelo Don Marley karbi ke plangalam ke ilitum atumo ki chini atum chini loteng dem uwe ke thoma phu phansi saran tho saran bak chipiji lasi nanga chethan no bang ta pulo la ta arta 75 years lo ne pota dak se ma thek ni phu da dak se ma thek ni phu sar da dak se ma thek pulo dang te saran thok saran ba ni saran thok saran ba do bom lang saran thok kachini pulo dang te uwe ke thoma phu pen abat lai ang deng hi ude uwe sisi yong sinangli ningkan phokep throkep le hisab setame uwe pli pho blote ningkan pharo le selang tunang ipudulo ningkan pharo pli so selo niltum dake do apromando lasi hopuna da munit hol dake do iltum ke yartata avedalo pirthel an kama thayelam no matha thedlo sita holat punat ke do akar bi tum ta non het si ke dam lang bo pula so kama tha bangke chokche lasi hopunata ke do ajir ding ulo si Don Marley ili tumke muheta principal si na sapo lam than lo ili tumke bharat sadhin long le phrang ke kado eta british andar si dolo british tumang we ko ke ili tum ka do da chini lo dake man tum dolo ahum tum dolo Kosari aricho tum dolo si ahum pen kosari richo tum sedan lo ahum tum hai det lo kosari richo tum bangke kat jui lo so pen phi ke ahum tum chari bo mangbong pen phi ahum angbong ta kache dong dai ki ton ti do lo bodon chondro borphukon adin man pha lo ahum phanta mana tum si perem det lo ahum tum hamma phan perem det pen phi ke mana tum si nang chari lo ahum tum le chari bhate me puzoi phi ahum tum le puta amuni dopik pe da ka do barim ko sari tum le puta parem de lo ho akhailu dam lab lo klasi british tu ma survey pen ke muhet bulo jehola sipsagor pen ho kamrup dai rai la bangso bahari anglong ke lasi mikri hill trek pusi british tuma bangke amen irlo api backward trek puta pul hai ate pipon ma hala bangso hut kar biatum si inglong isi pen don potrok punon inglong hini pen rong ni rong thom punon kar biatum si kedo aphai ke ong amathi british tum si la bangke mikir hill trek lo kar bitum si kedo ke ong ahawar lo sila bangso ben si mikir hill trek pen backward trek pen si part excluded parcel excluded lahai ka dogo bipenan wang bom ben ke 1935 pen ingkan bangke british tum sitame dak du bom jelang pulutang te ladak kedo arat atum pen india get long kedo arat tum pen isi repetitive labangso isi kecari kecalom labangso nat ardi pinangi pulatum damat pen si 1935 pen ingkan bang satum siwa pas lo 1937 pen ingkan bang pen ke central pente provincial labangso a government kapang ni pan bang chisik lo pen 1937 aning kana bang ke provincial election dolo ilitum ke partially excluded amatsi homosti silon loklo british adin ahutsi karbitum ke assam legislative assembly long seat ke long duna khailong Mikir constituency. Like 1937. Hala bangso election hutsi. Khorsing terang pen Samsung Sing ti cedan lo. Se khorsing terang se haidet lo. Si Karbi Angbong. First IMLA, first election. Ake kemanceng make. Si khorsing terang iglo. Si khorsing terang. Abang 1937 pen dobom claim bom pen phi bang ke second election ke dune derlo. Ate 1942 ke quit Indian movement dolo. Hopu ako second world war kadaweda dobom lo manti 1947 gel tumda ko sadhin long lok lo matiyo. Lasi litum bangal halo ilitum aphu aphi tu. Nili laso alam ke hu the mane ko son ma ilitum phuzar fisar tu ilitum tirim kacharia tirim tum narja pithip narja pithip the pen rong asar ru basara tum nangdu pithip lasi ilitum ke rong asar ke dam di polam du mati rong asar ke dam di tamne rong ke chukim na bangso at porom lo rong bangso rong chukim dum an ke nang don ni belo don thome no e don vet no no rong asar ke chutang tum ke la ke rong asar ke padam nu pene habi pinpo bursar bra bultimen adu ke lai ke dam mi hai sita सरकारी गमरा मुजादार है के दाम में सीधा रोंग सार के दाम दे पुलाम दुमती अब मसीह लिदुम के रोंग नंग चुकीम रिदंग चुकीम दाग इलिदुम के दो चित्रेक पिक ahok lo ke do chitrek pik athe kar bi to ke mithang manda chi pupu hotben ke ang ui ke cho akhe kar bi to ke pu mane aram ke ning kai ni tom ti dang lo te ang ui si ri mati ase ang ui si ke cho cho li to ang ui mane long li ke me si ri la si no li to ke do adim an ke kar bi to ke do an ke long li ta mi pik pik ing long na ing cheng pik pe ing long li ta hen puru sok te tiki me thoi da arni benda tomon benda lang benda lukson se asi ilitum afisar pusar tum hawar na lang pida me lasi ilitum isivet lonon kamathanai bake e pusar tum da selet liu selet posonde lan along le phelang lan ke nang klem bidai dei poloke e pusar do na selet le pik thek sersar abidi do pik kache bhong ron mei la puso kaching thur akhei gali iltu make methang ilun tomu ajutang ajubat e pindeng sumpot itu mason ke chan son bang rang ba chan tu nang che bhong nang ni seda ilitum la bangso ka selet akhei gali apot si non e pranga bang dia ni bangke ilitum ke klem ke dam si pate nang pu kiki ke khan tame akimi kiki ke khan itum si pate nang po non BJP government atum akimi ke klem nang thek du long pen next major government le do sitame hatun kan itum ben anso si chet sakimi paklang thek nang po ke da jing thur po e hawar da jing thur po lasi hala so competition na si dam nangi no ba ke claim me ta phanta chok che hala flyover le don da phang oxip ji bu go kupulo la ke je than bo son uni pen ke de flyover ke don na si phang oxip ji bu de la ke kamatha bang afan si honde me melo kumar ba kading je bang khol afan si honde me melo bang ajar ke flyover se don lu tang te motor gari kache pek jok po pinang ke kachingkin men jok po pusi kamatha la sono munita kar biang bong do flyover don lu tang te phang oxip ji bu go la jola so muni phara bang ke lang nang kok bu ko son ajar muni man lin nang kok po son do pota le ronda pota ke joy pota kreng pugo Karbiang lo on Thomas Council CM si arjap tan si pota keron halabang sa authority ban si ka condemn amunit a parti pulutan te lang mi milu la tumlongi dudun nolu arjudun nolu la de kopini mantang lo komane mondol dong mane sorgere gamrar masipu keron nam no bote honde mi hetong ta Karbiang lo Thomas Council CM arjap tan MLA MP tur hakhi ke dul bang so pota keron phanta pota kreng pota ke joy pulutan ta thai na hedolam tho Karbi tum ke chin thuri hai hala sona tum han ke ili ke pang thek nang pu je plang ble lo komali la to ke na ne ke jang rup chen na sinanga pon pu la tum yo la ma thanang pu la si la sona example dolang pini ke ningaroni po ni je lo seta itu ke chethan le thonang ko posi nili pene ke mi lam ke than long ta ison soni nang ka penu dum dum to ko ti posi hala nang ka penu dum pene chiri nei posi nili la thini je thom ning ye lo ang par ke ili tung ka do ko se ma thanang po si Don Marley pini ani ke il dum ningarong ani chedap lo pente ili tum along daito thepik si ili tum ka do ka we pini ke je tong rong sa ru bo sa rong pen ke bang ka do ko tum an ta me ili tum tim Karbiang long tum cerap citu dun si itum daito enang po aso daito en pen itum Karbiang long pajing thuri phan klem ponang ji punili pini Karbiang long de arni ningje si nilam ting ton kok lo kardom
हेलो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय विधायक दौरसिंह रोंहांग जी अब मैं आग्रह करना चाहूंगा असम विधानसभा के माननीय विधायक श्री बिदा सिंह इंगडेंग जी से कि वे इस सभा को संबोधित करें। क्षमा चाहूंगा अब मैं आग्रह करना चाहूंगा असम विधानसभा के विधायक माननीय रूप सिंह तेरोन जी से कि वे इस सभा को और इस सभा में अपनी बात रखें।
Kardom kadawe panta ingdeng thosgara kathom Karbiang long arani katalon aso mai long nai tong norapet Karbiang long Thomas Council CM Dr. Tuliram Roha ke hai Karbiang long Thomas Council Chairman Pendang Lok EMMDC Board Chairman ke hai atum Assam Legislative Assembly long kam claim pun rapet harohat MLA Lapan dipu MLA ke hai atum Pendang Lok litung long nai tong dun Karbi ricu asong kaprek pen nai tong dun kijapon ke thike ding atum ki barim ASEAN MDC EM ke hai atum Pendang Lok akaprek Thomas Council pen nai tong dun ak hai atum pen dali tong sar korte la pen jiritum lam ke dinglen me than pani phanta dili mata thela pen pan chini we the theni ni yani puche ni yelo ni ji phasi ji sik lo atheli tum chini mha te tum arjun long bom lo lam than long ta ili tum khai Karbi non da kamali akarbi harokrisir kera thongkara pho ning kan pen ta british atum ta Karbi tum phan ke hokng kok lo Karbi British pen jogdet ba phi independent long dok pata India asorkar ta Karbi puke mane hok nang kok lo sasi tu me thang si pini chiro nang po je Karbi tum chokle people tu bolong lok ke British tum pifan pi si nang baru ne del lo pising ho nang kok lo pisi pu nang kok lo athe da ka bang ke tum chini Karbi ta pe ye ga khai ricu do ke the do pendeng do sumpo do lun do temo do kilun do ke kando choklip aposila tu phan ke akapreka khai song le posila tu mata Karbi po khai bang hok pameni British huta pulo khaing bong Karbiang bong ka chingsai ana bang ke government tu IPC arwah tengking saya namun ni lang tu marona tengking saya ni saya lapan saya kong do itu lasi itu British penjok deh pernah piputa itu mamen kayak kaprek tahai mana itu mungkin ni itu pendang nang po kai cok lem posi peniar ni hasulok deh peta mikir hil ponon karbili ponota karbiang long panta nang hok nang kok api tu bangke karbiang long di picoda cokci tak solong bang metang seksidul tapi naik tak long tulok United mikir hilis utor kasar jelah posi pulau sohut api bangke jesong bom klaim bom aju tang aju bat intang bom apa sih karbi utor mas karbiang utor mas district council kita long tulok inton telang itu jesong bom aju tang ke intang bom ke apa sih api bangke otonomas karbiang lo otonomas council aku jesong tu bom aju tang mana intang bom akai ke nang tang bom sih non ke tum ke long tu dia bangke सरकार टीम में तो कर बेंगलोर तो मस territory council aku inton teji ke tu dah di inton teji ke claim bobi ke oh ke long tu je bangke aju tang aju bat akilun ke kan tang aricho ke te kan tang mesti autonomous te ta long ibin po ya la di pi ba dak lo aki pi ba la ke di la si tung bangke eko aju tang aju bat abang nang kom dana tek te dana re dana uwi mu tu tek dana posi aki tek re tung budam nang pini roing hi tum pan turu nang po karbi kacara society pelo karbi meda song lo seng lo di pini aju tang ju ba pini ke kajopati pini ke karbek long chokali non heta na lo dam ke ha Dubai se ke kanam Indian bong second position ya long tang lo ya long lo na lo ke kompo oh karbi la mera maya tumta atiri lasi pini malang tum da choro nang po lasi pini bangke tum nahi bangke pini ani ana bangta sarkar tu bitum phan ajalang pupata khang une der khang yang la tu phan nang pi bom te jok je da lo non te tum che song abang intarang ni ajutang jo bar bang tum da bangke thir klong nei aprang pilo ke do district punote isiat dipu formally we have the district administration only one from dipu now we become the two district administration Karbianglong dipu and another West Karbianglong Hamra another two civil subdivision Harogat and Nalo buka jam di melima hala suhur ke wang lo hala suhur bang ke blok long an lo long ni le rong khang be di phu nong ka long an lo long kri si ya long tan lo bali ba da lo a ho lo ni cho kam le lo a phang ta ni lin je lo ka da ho ha cho bai bi de pe lo la ke di a phang ke phut pat a phang ke phut pa kuเป็นสิตักบ่ดินอนแกไฮเวย์จักรีโพไลน์จักรีไปเหรอโอวาร์บริดจ์ยักษ์โอวาร์บริดจ์ยี่เทวังแสงก็ไม่รู้กี่โยก็ไม่รู้ละกี่ดีมาเลยมาดิโอ้คอมจูพูดปัดเป็นโอวาร์บริดจ์พูดปัดเป็นโพไลน์อะพรังแกไปเหรอmedical substance doa ta long lele doktor ta abi non ke pilo medical college boleh bade kali buta hai medical college doa long le ka melo dak ke jada ki sud lang thai lu dak ke boleh apa dulu kadi na ching thut aprang ke LP school LP school ta do di bali madi non ke university putah di university non ke bali ba high school ka preklam higher secondary ke preklam university นั่นกี่lalu coba dia klaim bom pasti itu bangkai pinian dia bang kaya than ke sini alam the bang lalu itu maju tang intang rakapot itu ke klaim abang pu itu klaim pami apot lasi pinia bangkai itu tek long lo apang ke festival pelong te joy on tholong thai oke ke ni tu ha cukela dun ke bang tirim terang cing tu ka joy on thol sikit pon hu oh joy on thol ke tirim terang kali bang putin joy review duki bang putin ja long tol oke par ka cing tu lo oke ni bale badi yo lasi la bang ke itu kace song pon ali kace song pon bom aput ke mutum cine ni lasi jog je deji ni le puthod ni tholo aju tang nang tang bom ke alu nang tang bom ke ake kanang me bom ke aperi nang chu bom ke dapat si otonomas district council tanang pilo sang sedet otonomas council nang pinang kok otonomas council tai tang ki pu kai long le long la api bagai ses lah api bagai jog bi janon pada kisung betul ni tanon ke kai long le kali lo dong ke polis masih ke cong tu pun dong ke pan lo malu badi tadi kedua pantai li kardom PBC lam ting ton kolo kardom
शुक्रिया अदा जाहिर करते हुए बथलंगसो से असम विधानसभा के माननीय विधायक श्री रूप सिंह तीसो जी को अब मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूंगा असम विधानसभा के माननीय विधायक श्री बिदा सिंह इंगलेंग जी से कि वे इस सभा को संबोधित करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Happy Karbi Anglong Day. Happy Karbi Anglong Day. Once more, Happy Karbi Anglong Day. Respected President of today's meeting, Raju Tisoji, respected Chief Guest, Honorable CM, Autonomous Council Karbi Anglong, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ji, Your Highness Karbi King Ronghang ji, Longsing Ronghang ji, our respected Madam CM Kache Teron P, Madam ji, respected my colleagues, MLA Dorsing Ronghang, Rup Singh Teron, and respected President, Karbi Cultural Society, Mr. Crew, and ex-CEM Mojari Hanse, ex-MP, Honorable Horan Singh Bey, EMs, Honorable EMs, and MDC, and respected my Principal Secretary, Autonomous Council, Karbi Anglong, and respected Northeast Autonomous Council, namely Tripura Member Autonomous Council and Cultural Group, and Mar Autonomous, respected Mar Autonomous Council and Cultural Group, and Mara Autonomous Council and Cultural Group, and respected Director or Autonomous Council and Seals and Cultural Group, respected Autonomous Council Bodoland and Cultural Group, and my dear delegates friends. Our Autonomous Council, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, though now it is very much powerful, but earlier, 1952, 23rd of June, power and function of
Autonomous Council, Karbi Anglong, it is very limited. When I was a CM, Autonomous Council, like Mohammad Ghori, Sultan Mahmud, Bharat Akraman, I became 5-time CM. But that very time, power and function of Autonomous Council very limited. We got only power to control officers, only executive member, only executive engineer level only. Engineer level, not head of the department. Up to 1991. But after 1991, April, Assam government and central government, the power and 30 department, it is transferred to Autonomous Council, Karbi Anglong. And after that, we have the power to control up to the chief engineer, PWD, all head of the department. All head of the department, it is controlled by the Autonomous Council. So now, very lucky enough, our Honorable CM Tuliram Nohangji, he can exercise full power within the territory of Autonomous Council, even such a power like a chief minister. Now we can see this building, this auditorium, who built it? It is under the leadership of Tuliram Nohang. And this cultural complex, under his guidance, all cultural complex completed. So, that Mar Council, Tripura Council, or Mara Council may be your power limited, because as per 6th schedule, power is limited. Only control to Ghat, LP school, and engineer level only. Now we got full power. But after getting this full power, we could not remain silent. Our demand is 244A. Article 244A. State within the state. That is state within the state of Assam. Not other state, of course. Not Mizoram, not Mar Council or like that. But for Karbi Anglong, paragraph 20, there is a specific written is there. You go through the constitution. That council, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, if central government desire to create state within the state, that is called Article 244A. Lasi ilitum bangke, non ke ilitum power long lo, dolo. Sita ilitum bang, in some land where ke dorde. Hojo ladak, non angiduna hina, a council atum pan take long lo, ilitum pan take long lo. Meolo, tekolo, chokolo, nankeruta dolo. Sita ilitum bang in land where ke, in some joy bang a chaplang pelang. Whole line long law, medical college long law, aja long law, bon sita. Itum ke song bang sang lang nelang pusi. Ili tuma leader law. It is our leader, Dr. Tuliram Nohang. He's fighting for the autonomous state till now. And no rest until we achieve the 244 year. Nasi pini la Karbi Anglong de ke long hotel la swalam ta che thanang ko lo itu mininga long piklo kadok kawe karbiang long de ke palon alang li tuliram long hang sem ki mana husi chuling besi palon nilime sang lame sem malo bon sita la hai kma thaje bang pangchu the khedal apo alang li ke paman pon the kapot nili hin pen suri suri kardom paji riglo an so se ili tum la son si cheto dunang po non leadership strong with the hood non leadership alang li Japan ke mehut ili tum ta kadok be che ru dun che to dunang po aor pi dunang po aplang ke kupulo kalbi richo tum phanda ke do hem ta be rohang robong abe nili siang do hu cheng ta ke pi kwano ha lak phobet hem kim cheng hulo non bang ke bang tuliam no ham pi jomara ahem ta kim pi pakalo anda kalilang richo tum phan ke dam ke bang jo ke je phan guardian da pilo onareri ta kalbi richo tum hata pilo anda kalilang dak sorkari sorkaman sorkari gambura tum phan sorkari gambura tum phan da okol kam paklem chot ke cheplang play okol kam be chotoy chot cheplang play alang li kamatha pangching pe jone non ke sarkari gambura tumphanta cheklo jon 3000 free pilo kalama kali lada pilo mati non kya ko alang li matha tulo sarkari gambura tumphan tangka picholo bang cheplang pela an so se dong so phang paching thu thek nai $6 ja kongpen kabi jutang jubat bisar kanar patheji phan alang li non matha tulo ye kabi arong tin pen agambura to phan ahong chetai long bisar kindari biji phanta karbi customary law alang li non pangcheng lo prabjin pe non hoju pangcheng po lata itum rong osor atong phan man hon manang pilo jolaya ya kang thek alam ching kinang pusipini karbi hong de nang to manang khang putab long khang muni to manang khang thala abasubang je 6 schedule autonomous council ko pije dorkar non itum gangbura tumphan rongosar tumphan customary law bona et pena phianda lan ke dorde 6 schedule dorde position mangeli tunge kado be mathalama la sem prek nahi autonomous state nahi pulo longle phelang bangeli tumphan ang than tap dota haibo longle phelang da chujole da jet kunani aero office ta nani ha nogong pondet ha gulakhat pondet ha silsor pondet ili to bhanang than tap ta dutai po bon sita non technology achu non aplang da kadbia amune tumphan rongosor tangka paisa kawe office ke dam thek lai pana jonita councilor sor nang cherai dundet longle pota bifama ke joy nang pidet longle settlement nang jo phan pidet ake joy be nang jo phan pota nang pidet ake me kai lang mala ake melomati la joy ke be ni jo phan karablo mati la se la sona government atumlong la sona party tumlong la sona leng thelong ili tum cherab dunangi cheto dunai la lo pulo de ke klem ye tum ta isia ja kong do ke klem ye tum phanda sor sa du nong lo pulo de klem ta tung te e so po phani e atu phani ke e phanda rang che gre te pe cho ke na bi da tung te de ji kumari kalamangali la sona thak lo ma dila ta ke klem ye tum phan sing ton thurong ki hi li dun lo la son lok amuni tum da do la so bang e li tum borong so cheri thunang po lai muni tum pe cheri thunang po yime san ya kam lo pulo de itum cherap jo ru nai engineer office ta ho .8 puji chief engineer office ta .8 kopina jer okola revenue circle det kali lason ke than tap atum da du la sobang atum chere nei nasi ilitum non karbiang long de palon ke ina rong pika sang nilitanon ata ke hoju sok sikep 70 ne dolo la song mong pen nili klemra rap ajit po jirpi abidel choda pem ta ke jathan klemra rap ajit po jirpi abidel than le di no politi ning o chulak po e adamane ke ko chambruk so bache kali chomrong so aktoba che the der po som pinak po thanang lu ko si bom sida ininga nong lo non nei lita menang du long non nang litum pen ta ka chetong long la son haksi an so se Karbiang Long Autonomous Council tang lo nang an so se tulam lo hang apanta ahir jume pa hang pilo nang an so se alang lita kame klem ke thegye phan aja kong pa pija phan anamang no aju hir jume hang si nili kadok kabya to phan chodom se nili am lan se kang ton lo kardom phen
Choro Parpiglo, Hiltum Kachinghon, Honorable MLA Sir. Media singing lang ka haya lang li panstami, pinilabang so arni ke mayor ni lang li litmat heng no alam the ning than ponpot. Tang tenono bang ke ni ngarong parar ni pinakapot le ilitum luni jir arjupanang ilitum kachopapon lun sepi Robina Kropi lapen ke barirong parpi alang litum hin penli litum nono bang ke lun arjupan senang la salang litum pansin ilia Parpiglo.
Aprangsi pini Karbiang Long de matang te ilitum Karbiang Long arani lasi ilitum jepi bahani jir lunci thak lu nyigji lasi lunde aprang kadu be panta kadom pajirilo kardom Trick.
Ooh.
thank you so much to our two renowned singers, Barry Rongporpi and Robina Kropi, for their duet song. And now it's time to call on our chief guest, our Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for his valuable speech. अभी मैं निमंत्रण देना चाहती हूँ हमारे कार्बी आंगलोंग ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल के मुख्य कार्यकारी सदस्य श्री तुलीराम रोंगहांग जी.
Kardom, Sama, Julu, Purkaham, Juthai, Kulombai, Sewa, Kedamsen, Kumchimbai, Jisurarasong, Kulombai, Simbon. Bini Ingdeng Trok sekira ke thom Karbi Anglong de la seorang ni katalon along mai chophem pupon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Speaker Raju Tiswa ke hai la so mai long nai chatong non tho iludum kaching hon nai ning ka chethenai Karbi richo long sing rong ha ke hai la so mai long nai chatong non tho Dipuai mele bidasing lenga ke hai harohat mele dorsing rong ha ke hai boy thalang soai mele rupsing terona ke hai abari ma MP Horen Singh bia ke hai abari ma CM Mojaris Hanse ke hai abari a chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council mate Karbi ni sorong aje akon chun bang ke cheng sia bang phu lidum ka ching honai roi hia ke hai la so mai long nai chetong thu ilatom Karbi Cultural Society tiri pia mai phu sonru singkro ke hai la pen ke nang chetong thu abarim Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Daniel Terona ke hai Pendang Lok Principal Secretary Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Lapen Gedang Na Chetong Nonto Nilong Kam Nang Klem Nurapet Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Ake Hai Kai Pidoan MEC Ake Hai Kai Pidoan Lapen Ke Na Chetong Don Mara Chakma Tripura Dimasa Bodo Lapen Akaprek Autonomous Council EM Lapen MEC ke doan lapen ke cultural participants lapen cultural proofs ke doan lapen manpeng ke do abarim EM MEC pen chenglok Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen ke phapon board chairman ke doan songja pi ke doan lapen ke pinpumar ake hai tum ke doan lapen bortimen Karbi rong saramai Karbi Anglong rong sarmai lapen ke dang na chetong dun habi haren pen chenglok dak pini ahin pen ke bang ladak ingdeng trok sikera ka thom Karbi Anglong de Karbi Anglong arani laso talon narpet sel talin uditiram hololong ke chetong ana bang phuang phiphan nili puthot ningkang sam lapen teni unepin lakau nepin kacurol pen budhot kardom pajil thulong nili prang jong penana bang phutum than lo jele tum kopia posi pini Karbi Anglong de katalon ma la so phur ke mo bang ke tum chini nang ji chuning peneno ke chengsi Karbi Anglong de mate Karbi Anglong arani katalon nilita penana bang puang pitom pan budi sore en pen dak abarim a chairman Dr. Dhorom Singh Terona ke hai pen chenglok abarim MP Biren Singh tia ke hai pen chenglok abarim MP Dr. Jointorong pi pen chenglok penana bang pitom pan nili arju hol jele tum district council kikim chenga hot komentulo intelitum ke non district kikim cheng ke longar ni komentulo ile tumang ke council laso kachari chengar ni bangla ke 23rd June 1952 ta ile tum ye district ke long chengar ni hola sor bangla tumang ke nili history langdam lo lapen nili penan lang pensi porhe pensi study pensi jele tum 1951 17 November ni hola sor ni bang ke le tum bang ke United Mikil Hills and North Kasar District autonomous pula sota autonomous district tumhan nang pilo amen nang pia bang ke United Mikil Hills and North Kasar District nang pijenge bang ke lang ke 1951 17 November ni si declare lo la si hola sor ni bang le tum chetene dat la si bang bom pen 72 years of hisi ni tum la so talon nang ji momo awe tum ta phurki mo bang ke chetene ne dat nang ji non Islam Karbi Youth Festival ke seng cheng na ke mentulo 1974 la son ka chetene ne dat roing ya kai tum hala sor pangcheng la son da khakse ile tum district kelong chengar ni bang ke tum chetene ne dat nang ji pu ma thasi nil tum team kar biang long hin pen chingwai chingsai pen krungsai amai pado pen kar biang lo autonomous council pen jenil tum dak talon ponji puisi kirip pondolo la soteng pen chuning pen pangcheng lo pining bang ke ingdeng hini lo ke chok katalon ke cheng lasi niligi punangye bang ki pudamye bang ke ile tum party dhorom chipupe pin khai chipupe pin si je ile tum 1951 pen ile tum hola so dobom la so prang dobom dakar bianglong itu anarara tumang ke ile tum ning si pet pen ing thini si pet pen si ile tum khai dhorom chipupe pin pen ile tum party je jong je pin pen ile tum eklai vet dosi je karbi anglong de mate karbi anglong arani 1951 laso United Mikil Hills and North Kachar District autonomous district laso ka declare ni bangel tum talor rapet nangji jo moheta puiglo dagel tum sonro singa kro ke haida me je bangjo government do tahai hola so government do chitame je non pini Daniel Trona ke hai bana churore te une je mujarian se ke hai lapen ke penandak jiwan bathok ke hai pen chenglok chumang kro ke hai lapen roi hia ke hai tumason pinidak la so mai long nang etun ile tum yong sa district aphan man peng le tum archu thek the le tum yong si ningarong jipi thek the pulong de le tum autonomous state long de te le tum chiti ne de jima la si le tum man district nang long cheng ni ba tum chitere nang le lapen ningarong jipi nang ipu la so mun thi par 6 si ni tum la so dai asayang deng bang ke chuning pen cheng lo pining bang ke ingdeng hini lo katalon la son ke cheng ede council la so kacharian ni bang ke tum 23rd June la ke aningkan bang nang talon pon bom si jara government ke do jat kacharia council ke do ana party tum ta me la ke nang talon pon bom lo da kar biang long de bang ke tum la so bang ke talon lepin lang hotmanyo rai sokol aji kar biang long de মানে কার্বি আংলং দে মানে কার্বি আংলঙৰ প্ৰথম জিলা দিয়া ইউনাইটেড মিকিল হিলছ আৰু নৰ্থ কাছাৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট তেতিয়া অটোনমাস ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট দিয়া হৈছে সেই দিয়া সময় আমি সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠীত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ বহবাস কৰা আমি ইয়াত সেই মঞ্চৰ পৰা মই অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিম যে সেই উদযাপনটো আমি সকলোৱে ইয়াত সমৰ্থন কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াত দল সংগঠন বিলাক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিম যে ইয়াত জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী বিলাক যিমানখিনি দল সংগঠন আছে সেই উদযাপনটো কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা প্ৰথম গঠন কৰা ইউনাইটেড মিকিল হিলছ এণ্ড নৰ্থ কাছাৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট জিলা সেই গঠন কৰাটো আমি সকলোৱে ইয়াত আদৰণি কৰিব লাগিব মানে নাজানে কাউন্সিল ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন দিনতে সেইটো কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ জিলা গঠন বুলি ভাবিছে কিন্তু সেইটো কাৰ্বি আংলং সাহিত্য সেই রাজ্য সেইটো গঠন কৰা ইউনাইটেড মিকিল হিলছ এণ্ড নৰ্থ কাছাৰ অটোনমাস ডিস্ট্রিক্ট অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল সেইটো 23rd June কিন্তু জিলা গঠন কৰাটো 17 নৱেম্বৰে আমি তেতিয়া ইয়াত জিলা গঠন কৰা হৈছে, জিলাত দিয়া হৈছে। তেতিয়া অটোনমাস জিলা হিচাপে আমাক অৰ্পণ কৰা হৈছে বা আমাক দিয়া হৈছে। গতিকে সন্মান্য ৰাইজসকল, ইয়াত যিমানখিনি কাৰ্বি আংলং ৰাইজৰ সেই মঞ্চত পৰা মই অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিম যে কাৰ্বি আগন্তুক সেই কাৰ্যসূচীবিলাকক আমি অহাবাৰ আমি অনুৰোধ কৰিম যে, বা আজিও মই অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিম যে কোনোবা যদি চাৰ্চৰ ঘৰ আছে, কোনোবা যদি আকৌ নামঘৰ আছে, কোনোবাই যদি লক্ষীমন মন্দিৰ আছে, কোনোবাই যদি ৰংকেৰৰ ঠাইত আছে, আমি চাকি এটা জ্বলাব লাগিব। সেইদিনাতে আমি কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা পাইছে আজিৰ দিনটো। সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী ইয়াত আছে কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ বসবাস কৰা। ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আছে, অসমীয়া আছে, ডিমাচা আছে, তিৱা আছে, বড়ো আছে, আৰু ইয়াত সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী আছে, ৰেংমা নাগা আছে। আজি আপোনালোকে চাওক, প্ৰথম কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা গঠন কৰা আমাৰ আছে জীৱন পাঠক ডাঙৰীয়াৰ প্ৰাক্তন কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ কাৰ্যবাহী সদস্য। তেখেতৰ দেউতা প্ৰথম অপদক্ষ হিচাপে কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা, তেতিয়া কাৰ্বি আংলং ইউনাইটেড মিকিল হিলছ এণ্ড কালচাৰেল ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট তেখেতে অপদক্ষ, ডেপুটি চেয়াৰমেন হিচাপে তেখেতে সেই সময় আছে। তাৰপিছত CS বোস DCO আছে, আৰু তেওঁ মানে কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস ইউনাইটেড মিকিল হিলছ এণ্ড কালচাৰেল ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট তেখেতে চেয়াৰমেন আছে, অধ্যক্ষ আছে। খৰচিং তেৰাং প্ৰথম CEM আছে। গতিকে সেই বৰঞ্জিত আমি সেইটো জানিব লাগিব। আজি কিহৰ কাৰণে গঠন কৰাইছে? আজি পোনপ্ৰথমে ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ পৰা আমি চিন্তা চৰ্চা কৰিছো যে কালচাৰেল এক্সচেঞ্জ যিমানখিনি নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ 60 অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ আছে, সেইবিলাক কালচাৰেল নৰ্থ ইষ্ট অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ কালচাৰেল এক্সচেঞ্জ ইভেন্টটো আমি পাতিব লাগে। সকলো অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলত আমাৰ ইয়াত আছে কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল আৰু ডিমাচা অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল আটাইতকৈ পুৰণা, অল্ডেষ্ট এণ্ড লাৰ্জেষ্ট অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল। তাৰপিছত ছেকেণ্ড আছে আমাৰ গাৰো অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল, খাচী অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল, জয়ন্তীয়া অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল, চাকমা অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল, ত্ৰিপুৰী অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল, তাৰপিছত মাৰ অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল, তাৰপিছত আছে আমাৰ মাৰা অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল, আৰু লগতে আমাৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ অটোনমাস আমাৰ বড়োলেণ্ড অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল। সেই 10টা অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল বৰ্তমান নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ ভিতৰত আছে। ইয়াত আমি ইনভাইট কৰিছো সকলো নৰ্থ ইষ্ট অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ কালচাৰেল ক্লাবছটো। ইয়াত পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছো কৰিছে, কিন্তু তেখেতক ৰিটেন দিয়া হৈছে গাৰো আৰু জয়ন্তী আৰু আমাৰ গাৰো জয়ন্তীয়া আৰু আমাৰ গাৰো জয়ন্তীয়া আৰু খাচী সেই তিনিটা পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্ট কৰা নাই তেওঁলোকে, কিন্তু তাত কিবা এটা ফেষ্টিভেল চলি আছে বুলি। কিন্তু আজি যিটো কাৰ্বি আংলং ডে চিফ গেষ্ট, সেইটো আমি নিমন্ত্ৰণ কৰিছো আমাৰ মেঘালয় চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ কৰ্ণা চাংমা। যোৱা ৰাতিলৈকে আহিব বুলি WMT মেছেজো দিলে। 10:45 মোক ফোন কৰিছে তেখেতৰ আজি সেই ঝাৰখণ্ড নিৰ্বাচনৰ প্ৰচাৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে তেখেতে হোম মিনিষ্টাৰে অমিত শ্বাহ ডাঙৰীয়া তেখেতক মাতি লৈ যোৱাৰ কাৰণে তেখেত আজি উপস্থিত থাকিব নোৱাৰে বুলি তেখেতে কৈছে। বেয়া পাব নালাগে, নেক্সট ইয়াৰ তেখেতে আহিম, নহ'লে ইয়াত কাৰ্বি ইউথ ফেষ্টিভেলত যেতিয়া হ'ব অহা বছৰ ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী মাহত তেখেতে আজি এই সভাতে উপস্থিত থাকিব বুলি কৈছে। নেক্সট এলাংলি Wangji pusir pulau nili tu Meghaloi, aci minister lo jong si wang lo pulang te nili hala tak tok jir penisi alang pan memorandum PG pul. Je blok 1 blok 2 kele tom pan nangai pitang do dake. Gadget notification da do la pen natural boundary da do. Hala dake le tom dake blok 1 blok 2 kya prang ke juai lo la pen ke ile tom ben ke no api ben ke dake le tom. Dakar General Autonomous Council andar si dolo lake. Lasi lahai lama putak alang lipan pinpura lopen cenglo. Rada awai kanglong ta nili alang lipan chuning ri dunji pusi alang lipan isi pin pulo lo pidunji pulo sita alang li bangke laso pini kato kat ametang jongjung kaso pini along prega sayang deng kedam nangkok dokok election campaign kidu nangkok joini si alang li bangke laso bangke alang li lapini laso asayang deng kar biang long dia arania bangke alui sarpuamen pen na ketong dunu nedat lo lapen ke laso ni letum kar biang long de ka chingrum da klaivet sido party dhorom chipu pe pin pen khai chipu pe pin pen katalon lason thochi letum district kelong hala sotai letum party dhorom chipu pe pin pen siletum hadak district council da long lo lapen hala so elitum je district da long lo lasiola sohor ka chupido ka to manil tum chitini nangne iletum sarsing tiron langkung habe pen chenglok samson sing ti pen chenglok david longing hi pen chenglok harsing ti pen chenglok songbe pen chenglok muniram langne pen chenglok penana bang fu bang pietum hala sohot ka cherap duna joine pen si iletum district council da long lo la pen iletum district da long iglo lason heta siletum hempe ka isu pen chenglok border isu pen chenglok atuya hoya isu iletum party alam alitum party alam pen chipu pe pin pen ji jong siletum hemprek tame autonomous state tame lapen border isu tame iletum jong si eklai vet dolo pulong te party dhorom chipu pe pin pen song chip chi jong je pin pen jong siletum hang lo pulong te letum hemprek ta long vek ji pusi na to mani liwai dak par sabet pachin sita iletum hemprek ke long je farman pen iletum jong si che jong rong che sorsa long chipu tot rong che kham kherong pulong te letum bangke labang ke chunu ne de ji iletum aprang prang alam iletum che tene de nang po aprang prang alam iletum bangke ala solam iletum ke la so ruire de nang po iletum iklai vet si do nang la hem prek pen chenglok border isu pen chenglok akaprek common isu hala yo iletum claim rap pet lo pulong te iletum chun vek ji lasi nilina tum han kachuning ria bangke je development kam ke government cari atom claim pon bom lo la jok sila government cari porta claim pon bom lo la ke kar biang long ratum da chini lo la ke jo government bang tame claim pon bom po la si la so saing denge anu tin le cari tame tam bom bang bom po la ke sida le tum common issue bang ke le tum eklai ve jong si dolo pulong del tum jara saing deng na chunji la pen ke government ka cari atom long tame pene ke chok che dolo pulong del tum je tok jil dari ten mesil tum pidam nangji kai ke sayang deng ke chok che ling ke jok tu na bangel tum ke la bang ke chok che de ji pusi na tum bhada nil ke chuningri bini kar biang long de arni ka talon dak bini nilining sampik aphai le komo sita mai thil tu aphai ke hang he la ke do anda me da ke bini song ke do anda kar bilong chale song ben chenglok kar biro sarmai pen chenglok kar biang long ro sarmai pen chenglok penana bang fu bang phe tum dak song ke do ana tum do abari ma CM ma chairman ka hai tum na do dak la pen ke le tum team kar biang long da dolo la sidak kar biang long ro asar kar biang long sarkari gamura tum da dak do la si ham phang song ma dolo ilum kamun thineng kaparsik nang ye bang ke la puino kar biang long non sim monsam dolo monsam ke do hot ila tum ta sayang deng da mi si pen ke klempon ja pan ke non team kar biang long tum ta klempon bom lo la pen sik pon bom lo la son si dam pon bom lo sida le tum dak nili ka choning ria bang ke pini kar biang long de la so kar biang long de ta nili batai ching ka choning ri lo je le tum dak kar biang long ke do anara tum je party dhorom song chipu pe pin pen eklai vet dolo pulong te ile tum prap jin pen hempek ta long vek ji pusini la batai je ningilo respect representatives of Northeast 6 Autonomous Council, Honorable Speaker Karbiang Autonomous Council, respected Raju Tiso, Honorable MLA, respected Birasing Leng, Dorsing Ronghang, Rup Sing Teron, Lapeletu Maricho Lo, Karbi Richo, Karbi King, respected Longsing Ronghang, ex-Chairman Karbiang Autonomous Council, respected Rory He, respected Daniel Teron, ex-chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, ex-MP, respected Horan Singh Bey, ex-CM, respected Mojari Hanse, my colleagues, all honorable executive members present here, honorable MECs, board chairmen, and organizations, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, and all participants, cultural truths present here. It is with a great pride and immense gratitude that I stand before you today as we gather to celebrate the 73rd Karbi Anglong Day and the Northeast 60th Autonomous Council Cultural Exchange events here. This is time for reflection of our history, our struggle, and our progress, and a time to strengthen the bonds and unity, understanding that will carry us forward. The creation of the Mikil Hill district, now known as Karbi Anglong, was a significant moment in our history, one that set the course for the regions of development. As we commemorate the 73rd Karbi Anglong Day, we also recall the historical milestones, the way for the formation of this district. The borderline subcommittee which submitted its report to the President of the Constituent Assembly on March 4, 1948 played a crucial role in shaping the future of this region. This report was deliberated by the Constituent Assembly on September 5, 6, and 7, 1948, marking the beginning of an important chapter in our collective history. Today, as we celebrate this milestone, we recognize the wisdom, foresight, and leadership of those who shaped the destiny of this district. Their collective effort have ensured that the Karbi Anglong has flourished into a vibrant and diverse community, one that honors in its history and look forward to a future of unity and prosperity. We also honor to the struggle, sacrifices, perseverance of our forebears who laid the foundation for the progress we now enjoy. This day call us a reflect on the journey of our district and renew our commitment to the future, the build of our strength. Embrace our diversity and upholds the volumes and justice, equity, and progress for all. The theme of today's events, bringing and fostering understanding through the cross-cultural exchange, remains us the strength of the Northeast. Like it is rich at mosaic of cultural, traditional, and language. Through events like this, we have the opportunity to learn from one another, celebrate our differences, build lasting relationships founded on trust and cooperation. As we gather celebrate these significant occasions, we must also acknowledge the inspirations of our people, their long-standing demand for the forthright implementation of provisions that promise meaningful autonomy and self-governance. In this regard, I would like to highlight these historic provisions inserted into the Constitution of India through Article 244A, which allows for the formation of the autonomous state for the Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and Dima Hasao. This provision, part of the creation of Meghalaya Autonomous State, has been a long-standing demand of the Tree Hill District. The implementation of this article has been a key inspiration of our people for many years, as it is hold the promise of greater autonomy, improved governance, and more control over our resources and future development. To fulfill the aspirations of our people and ensure continue grow the prosperity for our community, I request your cooperation in supporting the fulfill implementations of Article 244A. This is not marginal legal provisions, but a step towards empowering the people of the Caribbean Long and Dimao to shape their own destiny. Your support will play a crucial role in realizing the dreams of our communities and ensuring that our voice are heard at the highest level of the governance. Finally, I extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for being a part of this special occasion. Your presence here today in evidence of share and commitment we have for the futures of Caribbean Long and Northeast as a whole. Let us continue to work together, exchange ideas, ensure that the visions of peace, progress, and prosperity for all and is realized. Once again, I express my sincere gratitude to all our distinguished guests and speakers and participants for joining us today. Together, let's admit a future peace and prosperity. Thank you to all and all participants present here, and welcome to you all.
Hello. Thank you so much to our Honorable Chief Executive Member of Caribbean Long Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang sir, for your valuable words. Tangte nona bangke hiritum isi luthui so kang pujido kedam at akorte chikle martumpan chuning rilo dam de da sonte me parji kijut kalilang ilitum non nong eke pajir jido ilitum aluhi hong pen ke vangalang litum aphansa me karchoji asai dolang la sidam de da sonte me parji. I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable CEM Sir, to release a pocket-friendly handbook on Karbi People's Hall, published by Art and Culture Department, Caribbean Long Autonomous Council. Art and Culture Department ke isi hinpen isi kitab so luthui so Karbi People's Hall key highlights labang so pocket handbook Sonsepon law. In this pocket handbook, you'll find key highlights of the entire Karbi People's Hall. And our Honorable CM Sir is doing the honor to release this pocket handbook. Let us all give a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. This handbook will be handy for tourists as well as our own people to find the exact locations and the key highlights. Thank you so much, sir. And now we move forward to invite the concept creator behind this pocket handbook, Shri Bhaben Borua, to kindly come up the dais. We would like to felicitate him for doing great work in putting the main concept behind this pocket handbook. For this, I'd like to request our President of KCS, Shri Chandra Singh Crow, to do the honor of felicitating Shri Bhaben Borua. Labangso pocket handbook Karbi People's Hall aputhak. Alangli henlo akehai Bhaben Borua. Alangli hinpen matha Ponsi labang so Karbi People's Hall aputak pocket handbook abangke se marpon lo. Tang tenona bangke nong ekipi ateke presentation of awards. Firstly, we'll move on to presenting of Bravery Award to Srimati Merina Kropi, spouse of Mr. Kennedy Inghi. Ilitum kadoka vesta me chini pikpedlo. Aki hai pi Merina Kropi pan bangso Bravery Award ki pia puthakke. Kedam tang apor kahino hud at heke tum charging preseg hud alang li kupuson si alang li pran chipajok ma laponcho takali alang li long bang hini klim somara tumapan sami apran pe jok long lo pinpurdam me muso hevali tisopi hala sohot ke alang li arta troxy velang lapen ke litu muso homtara tisopi alang li ke arta kriner ke nerkep vedlang hala sohot ke alang li metang lapen ke labang so bang hini muso mara tumapana pran pe joklo la salang lipan non pinyarni ke merni atheke ingdeng troxy kebra ke thom karbiang long de katalona long bang so Bravery Award ki pipa jerji pansi nilito ma porchisiklo la siltum kachinghon honorable CM sir alang li reading pensi la bang so award bang ke pipa jer po.
A Bravery Award. This citation is presented to Srimati Merina Kropi, wife of Mr. Kennedy Inghi. On a fateful day on 17 October 2005, Mrs. Merina Kropi, wife of Kennedy Inghi of Amreng, West Karbi Anglong, was traveling from Jirikindeng to Amreng like any other normal day. On that fateful day, a day that can fittingly be called a day of infamy, Mrs. Merina Kropi and bus full of passengers was halted by a band of miscreants intent on slaughtering as many members of the Karbi tribes as possible. In a graphic and brutal violence that defines words, the bloodthirsty miscreants committed horrendous acts of carnage, directing their brutality against the Karbi tribe to the extent that even infants were not spared. The bravery and compassion shown by Mrs. Merina Kropi during the infamous Charchim episode stands as a testament to her quick wit, boldness, selflessness, resilience, and compassion. Her actions are a beacon of hope in times of such tragic moments, and she is most deserving of this accolade. Si itong Merina Kropi lapen halasuhod kipajokpon itong mumar tumo non nagani saidelo hevali ti sopi lapen homtara ti sopi same ladagdolo alang tum hansame itong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hin pen ang mata manpeng pi pajirpon lo. Ladak ang chitong don lo iltum sangpi Merina Kropi ahemaso Kennedy Inghi same ladak tum nang dolo si choropik lo ang tum kadu same dak pini 73rd Karbi Anglong de Catalano nang chitong don thekpot choro lo. Adon tu anong tum pipajir ponthuji labangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along under lo handloom and textile department na hin pen kachisik pon tang lo tirim amo award labang ke 2024 lo pen 25 aning kana farman asi ke chengsi abang ke Serdihun Handloom Heritage Preservation Award labang sonong AC pipajir pon po seladak citation doji cash award doji lapen kaprek felicitation items doji lasi labang so anong kelong nitum pangdak pon po Mrs. Finalis Ing TP wife of Mr. Cromwell Timu alang like tirim emo award along Serdihun Handloom Heritage Preservation Award si chiparideng ponlo si alang li pansame dak hongjai anwang pen labang so anong kichu deng pan si chuniri lo lapen puthot chuniri thulo labang so anong kipajir ponji pan tum ke chinghon man peng ke the honorable Chief Executive Member Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council alang li rideng pensi labang so anong pajir pon po
Alang lilong at sirab dan jipan, iltum kachinghon, Honorable EM Sir, Handloom and Textile, akihay madhuram lekte, alang lista mi labang sonong pajirilong chirabon po. Labang sonong kipiji, iltum man kedo, karbi shawl, karbi apeum, jamborong, poho, momento, citation lapen ke check isido akihay finale sing tipi alang liphan Serdihun Handloom Heritage Preservation Award labang so anong silang liphan pipijir bomlo Mrs. Finalis Singh TP is being presented with the Serdihun Handloom Heritage Preservation Award for her outstanding contribution to preserving traditional weaving and dyeing techniques. Aduntu, I'd like to invite Mrs. Kareng Teronpi, wife of late Kangbura Pangcho, for Tirim Amo Award in the category of Samjing Entrepreneur of the Year Award. For these, I'd like to request our respected Kache Teronpi Madam, wife of our Honorable CM Sir, to do the honor of presenting this award of Samjing Entrepreneur of the Year Award to Mrs. Kareng Teronpi, wife of late Kangbura Pangcho. She's been this award to Mrs. Joymui Bepi, wife of Pator Pangcho, for the Tirimamo Award in the category of Hanri Hanjing Best Weaver Award. She is being presented this award in recognition for her exceptional weaving skills and dedication to preserving and promoting the rich Karbi handloom heritage. Her expertise in weaving traditional loin loom clothes and creating designs inspired by nature, such as birds and spider webs, highlights her creativity and cultural pride. She is now being felicitated with a Karbi shawl, a Karbi poho, a citation, memento, a bouquet, and check of rupees 25,000. And now, on this auspicious occasion of the 73rd Karbi Anglong Day celebration, as we all are aware of the different autonomous district councils joining us for this celebration, our Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council would now felicitate them with a souvenir bag of the 73rd Karbi Anglong Day. So may I please request our Honorable Chief Guest to do the honor, and may I please invite Executive Member of Chakma Autonomous District Council of Art and Culture Department, Shri Lokhan Chakma, on the stage. Sir, Iltumlong Akaprek Autonomous District Council Penang Chetong Dundo Man Pengkedo EM Arpu Penang Chetong Duna Bangke Ilitum Chakma Autonomous District Council Lapen ke Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council alang litum chot la sinona ilicho hangpon la ke Lokon Chakma Executive Member Chakma Autonomous District Council. May I please invite Sri Mohan Chakma, Chairman of the Chakma Autonomous District Council, Sri Ananta Bikas Chakma, Executive Member of the Chakma Autonomous District Council, Sri Montu Chakma, Executive Member, Sri Supan Chakma, Executive Member, Sri Supreme Raj Chakma, Executive Member, Sri Amit Bayan Chakma, MDC of the Chakma Autonomous District Council, and Sri Hemanta Lama, MDC of the Chakma Autonomous District Council on the stage, please. If they are not available with us at this moment, okay, they are not with us at the moment. Okay, then may I please proceed to call on the stage honorable executive members from the Tripura Tribal Autonomous District Council. Sri Suhail De Burma, Honorable Executive Member of Sports and Youth Affairs, ICA, who have joined us. Sri Debajit Tripura, Honorable Member of District Council from the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. If they are here with us, I'd like to request them to kindly come up the stage. If not, so the honorable executive members from the different autonomous district councils who have joined us were only from Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Councils and Chakma Autonomous District Councils. The rest of the Autonomous District Councils are being accompanied by the troop leader. Lasinona bangke ilitum kijud angkung sinang litanglo. Ilitum cepat preprang isi pacini alam nalitum apan nilit haningtung. Mari kitik do lasi ahinahin penkevang korte cikle maratum anabang ke la field serang sina sarpo field athengno aker canopy ladaksi mari kitik la pen la officers departments officers la pen ke kethe ding atum ana phana bangke la pen kaprek autonomous district councils pen ke vang cultural troops la pen ke kethe ding tum ana phana bangke island kintin na bin bu aldaksi ke patik. I'd like to announce that lunch is being provided. So our dear spectators who have come from near and far, you can go to the field. There's a red canopy. And to our honorable troops, our distinguished guests at the Kintinabinbu at the island. So now may I kindly request everyone to rise up as we wind up this event with national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Thank you so much. And the cultural exchange program will commence from 5 p.m. at the Rangsina Sarpo field. VIPs and the invited guests from different autonomous district councils, lunch is being provided at the guest house, Kareng Ronghang, guest house. The rest of the dignitaries, as well as the officers and the cultural troops, please proceed towards the Canteen Abinbu at the island where we had dinner last night. And people from different constituency may have lunch being provided in front of the Rangsina Sarpo field.